Hey there! Welcome to the BE Special Tours Agency Guide. Look, I'm going to walk you through something pretty sweet here. How to register as an agency partner and unlock those exclusive prices that'll make your clients think you're some kind of travel wizard. Trust me, this is easier than you think. Alright, first things first. Head over to BeSpecialTours.com. You're on the homepage. Beautiful. Now, here's what most people miss. Scroll all the way down to the footer. See that Agent's Login button hiding down there? That's your golden ticket. Click it. Boom, you're on the login page. Now, if you're already in the club, just log in. But if you're new here, no problem. Sign up with your company email or just use your Gmail. We don't make this complicated. Once you're in, check out your profile page. Right there at the top, after your details, you'll see a button that says Register as Agency. Click that bad boy. Now you're looking at a form asking for your company details. Fill it out. Nothing crazy, just the basics. Here's the beautiful part. Our team reviews these within 24 hours. That's it. 24 hours, and you've got access to exclusive agency pricing. We move fast, because we know you do too. All right, let's talk bookings. You've got access to our agency trips section. Browse it, find what works for your clients. But here's where we're different. Don't see what you're looking for? Not a problem. Seriously, hit that Custom Request button. You'll land on a form where you drop in the tour details, guest info, any special requests. I'm talking dietary needs, accessibility requirements, that surprise anniversary cake, whatever makes your clients happy. Submit it, and we'll get you a custom quote. You'll get an email back with pricing once our team reviews it. Simple as that. Now, here's my favorite feature. Say you get that quote back and you're thinking, what if we change the pickup location? Or, can we add an extra stop? You don't have to play email tag for 3 days. Look up at the top header. See that message icon? Click it. New message opens up. Give it a subject line based on your question, type your message, and send. Our team responds in real time. Your conversations are saved, confidential, end-to-end encrypted with multiple security layers. We take your privacy seriously. It's like having a direct line to our senior team. No waiting, no runaround. Okay, nobody likes talking about cancellations, but life happens, right? If you need to cancel a booking under our cancellation policy guidelines, here's how it works. Go to your booking listing. That's agency/orders. Find the booking you need to cancel, click it. On the order detail page, you'll see a cancellation button. Hit it, read through the guidelines carefully. If your situation fits, and that's the whole system. Clean, simple, built for people who've got better things to do than wrestle with complicated booking platforms. We're always adding new features, and honestly, we want to hear from you. Got suggestions? Email us at office@bespecialtours.com. Questions? Same address.